In this video guide, we will help you to get rid of the adware which is called HorizonElite. HorizonElite is the adware specifically attacking Mac computers. This HorizonElite is the adware from the AdLoad family. The adware displays numerous advertisements through any available Mac browsers, but mainly it targets Safari though. HorizonElite adware shows its intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. Often these ads are shown on top of other content. And of course, with so many ads by HorizonElite, you cannot really concentrate on things that are really important to you. This HorizonElite adware also may periodically redirect you to other deceptive sites that may promote adware, browser hijackers, unwanted extensions, fake surveys, misleading pop-ups, and so on. If you have discovered this HorizonElite adware to be the part of your Mac computer, go to your Finder, check your applications, look for this HorizonElite. Once you find it, right-click on it and move it to the trash. This is the best solution to remove this adware. But sometimes it may happen that some other adware may be hidden in your Mac. I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and then begin researching your computer. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. By the way, the website combocleaner.com allows you to download the version both for Mac and for Windows computers, and the site will automatically detect your operating system. In Combo Cleaner, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner will begin investigating your computer. But first of all, after you download it for the first time, the application should update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database is updated, the scanning of course will take some time. It may depend on various factors. Combo Cleaner will then, at the end of scan, show you the detailed report mentioning all threats, their names, their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to premium license. This is the best way to maintain your Mac computer safe and free of other possibly hidden threats.